On this Engineers Day episode of Meri Kahani, Meri Zubani, we are joined by Rudra Sarvaiya, an architect by education and a furniture innovator by passion. With 11 years in his family's manufacturing business, Rudra has blended on site architectural experience with the craft of fine furniture. His vision goes beyond just making products. He dreams of creating a world class Indian studio brand, one that can compete with international names like Minotti and Poltrana Fur. A studio that isn't just about furniture, but about lifestyle, design, and even collaborations in the entertainment and creative space. From working with top architects like Sandeep Shikre and Associates, AD&D, Alcove Design, and Connect 4, to supporting building studios, shaping new trends, Rudra represents the future of Indian design. Today, we hear his journey of design, heritage, and a vision to put India on the global design and entertainment map. Hi, Rudra.
Hi.
Welcome to Meri Kahani, Meri Zubani. It's lovely to have you on the show. So the first thing what I want to know from you is you spent over a decade in furniture and furniture designing and manufacturing. So today, how do you have this dream of building, a studio brand?
So it all started when I got into architecture,
Okay.
and I used to visit my factory
Hmm.
and see all the lovely detailings which would happen over furniture of making, meeting all different artisans, craftsmen, and getting into detailing of every furniture pieces.
Right.
And so then I would get into detailing, knowing
Minute stuff.
minute
Yeah.
stuff, and all of that inspired me to making my decision of getting into furniture after furniture designing and manufacturing after doing and completing my bachelor's in
Right.
architecture.
Right.
So that's how it started, all of it. And even while I was doing architecture, I used to we I did a lot of internships,
Okay.
and
With
with,
brands.
with different architects and designers.
Okay. Okay.
So that gave me a lot of insights and a lot of understanding of how different brands, different designers, architects would work, knowing about their concepts and all of that.
Mm.
So that's how all of it started.
Okay. So that's how the seed was sown.
Yes.
Okay.
And after doing architecture, I got into this business full fledged.
Right.
So I visited different fairs in India, in Milan, and even in China. So it gave me an idea of how internationally all different brands are doing, and there is a huge scope in this field.
Right.
And so got into it, and now I have my own studio and setup,
Okay.
and very soon we'll be launching a experience gallery
Okay.
where we would showcase furniture with different artisanal values, bold silhouettes,
Okay.
rich textures
Wow.
of furniture, and all of it
Amazing.
at our experience center.
Right. Now, experience center. That's something very interesting. Okay. So, how do you see your studio going beyond furniture into lifestyle and entertainment collaborations?
So now everything has got into social media.
Right.
So I would want to collaborate with influencers who are into lifestyle,
Right.
and also get go and meet artisans from different parts of India and showcase their work, get best of craftsmanship partnered with our brand,
Okay.
and get it to international level, giving them platform
Right.
and showcasing all those work in exhibitions which are happening in India as
Right.
well as on international platforms.
Wow. Amazing. Okay. So you worked with top architects, designers. How do you imagine the next step where your studio becomes a creative hub across industry?
So as I said that I would want to get artisans, even students who are doing architecture, interior designers, who are into architecture and interior designing,
Right.
they generally do not get a platform or
A place where they
a place
can.
where
Yeah.
they can go and understand the detailings and be a part of, because there's no institute
Right.
which is giving you a degree for furniture or any of these
Right.
different
So you don't have a particular place where you can actually go and learn about
Yes.
it. That's what you're saying, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So my studio, my factory would be open to
All the
all
upcoming. Yeah.
all the upcoming budding architects, designers, and even artisans and craftsmen.
Wow.
So with whom everybody could collaborate and bring design together.
Yeah. That's a very noble thought. Amazing. So, what role do you think Indian craftsmanship and material can play in creating a global design and entertainment movement?
So I would say that there are a lot of materials which we get in India which are not available internationally.
Okay.
People are not aware about materials which we get into different regions of India. I would get all those materials in place, and we can create something exciting, conceptualize something innovative, creative, and that would you know give an idea of something which is true to essence of India,
Yeah.
to be a
Unique thing.
unique furniture or
Yeah. Yeah. A different thing. Okay. So, okay. When you imagine your studio 5 years from now, what does it look like? A factory, a showroom, or a creative hub buzzing with designers, artists, and filmmakers?
so it would be definitely a creative hub where as we discussed,
Yeah, I
where
could feel that.
where architects, designers, fashion designers, creative directors, and even students from different design background
Right.
would come together and make it a really buzzing place,
Yeah, like a hub.
like a hub, and giving platform to everyone, not just designers and architects, but also craftsmen, artisans, and valuing their work
Right.
and making it truly noble.
Correct. So global names like Minotti or Poltrona Fro, they're not just furniture brands; they are cultural brands. So how will your studio carve a similar identity in India?
So I would say that getting different materials, getting different fabrics, which are not recognized that well on an international platform. So say different fabrics like ikat, then pashmina, silk, velvets, and these all different types of fabrics, and materials like metal. So say brass from Muradabad, then wood from Kerala, and craftsmanship from say Rajasthan, Gujarat. So I would get all of that under one roof, and designers and architects from different parts of India and even internationally collaborating, getting them to work together,
Okay.
and giving them chance to create some of the best furniture pieces in the world.
Okay. This one is interesting. If tomorrow a Bollywood or Hollywood set designer approaches you, what kind of project would you be excited for most?
So I would say there is this upcoming historic movie that is going to come, which is the Ramayana.
Yeah.
So I would say that I would want to create furniture for set of that, which would which would help me to conceptualize furniture of that era, and which would be my imagination or my concept of furniture in that era, and where
Okay.
Lord Ram and Devi Sita would sit, and even the throne of Ravana.
Okay. In your thought.
Yes,
Yeah, the way you perceive it.
the way I perceive
Wow. And that would be like grand.
it, that would be grand.
Wow. Very interesting. So, what role do you think Indian craftsmanship and material can play in creating a global design and entertainment movement?
So I would say that there are a lot of materials which we get in India which are not available internationally.
Okay.
People are not aware about materials which we get into different regions of India. I would get all those materials in place, and we can create something exciting, conceptualize something innovative, creative, and that would you know give an idea of something which is true to essence of India,
Yeah.
to be a
Unique thing.
unique furniture or
Yeah. A different thing. Okay. So, बहुत मजा आया ये सारी चीजें जानकर. Now we're going to do a quick rapid fire with Rudra. So, are you ready?
yes.
Okay. So, the first question. A dream celebrity you'd want to design a studio or a home for?
I would say Deepika Padukone,
Okay. Any specific reason?
my favorite actress.
Okay. If your studio was a film genre, drama, action, or art house?
It would be drama, so
Yeah.
with
Larger than life.
larger than life,
Okay.
where I could show a lot of concepts
Yeah.
and
A lot of things.
lot of things.
Right. Favorite Bollywood film set design?
Bajirao,
Okay. So Bajirao Mastani.
yes.
Okay. Studio vibe, minimalism or luxury drama?
So I personally love minimalism,
Okay.
so I would say minimalism.
Okay. Would you rather design for a fashion show or a film premiere?
A fashion show where I could,
Experiment.
experiment with lot of fabrics and different materials.
Right. Okay. If your furniture had a soundtrack, what genre would it be?
It would be Sitar,
Wow.
Rishabh Sharma.
Okay. Interesting. Okay. One international city you want your studio to showcase in?
Definitely Milan. All
Okay,
A-listers
Yeah.
would exhibit there.
Amazing. A piece of furniture you want to feature in a movie?
So I would say a sculptural chair, lounge chair by Bombay Living,
Okay.
which will come soon
Okay.
at my experience gallery.
Okay. We would come to visit that.
Definitely.
Yes. Collaboration dream. Architect, filmmaker, or musician?
Musician A.R. Rahman.
Wow. Okay. Finish the line. My studio will be India's answer
To finest furniture and lifestyle brand.
Thank you so much for giving us such deeper insights and keep watching Meri Kahani, Meri Zubani.